find out about an AARP Medicare Supplement Insurance Plan insured by United Healthcare Insurance Company. Like all standardized Medicare supplement plans, it could save you thousands in out-of-pocket costs. Call now to request your free decision guide.
I've been with my doctor for 12 years. Now I know I'll be able to stick with him.
You'll be able to visit any doctor or hospital that accepts Medicare patients. Plus, there are no networks, and you never need a referral. See why millions of people have already enrolled in the only Medicare supplement insurance plans endorsed by AARP. Don't wait. Call now.
Democracy is about two things. Democracy is about what the people say they want to do. But it's also about who counts as the people. In the last couple of years, a bunch of states across the country have made it harder to vote, harder to register to vote. The idea is to shrink the electorate so a smaller number of people get to decide what happens to all of us. And so nobody has to vote. You don't have to vote. We all have the right to remain silent. But if you do not vote, if you are dissuaded from voting because it has gotten harder, you are fulfilling somebody else's plan.
New Prilosec OTC Wildberry is the same frequent heartburn treatment as Prilosec OTC. Now with a fancy coat that gives you a burst of wild berry flavor. Now why make the flavored heartburn pill? This is a mug. And we don't just make things you want. We make things you didn't even know you wanted. Like a spoon forward, spray cheese, and jeans made out of sweatpants. So grab yourself some new Prilosec OTC Wildberry.
One pill each morning, 24 hours, zero heartburn. Satisfaction guaranteed or your money back.
We've also been inspired these last few days by the heroes who are running in the buildings and wading through water, and the neighbors who are helping neighbors cope with tragedy, the leaders of different parties working together to fix what's broken. We're all in this together. We rise as one nation.
Look, when I'm elected, I'll work with Republicans and Democrats in Congress. I'll meet with them regularly. I'll endeavor to find those good men and good women on both sides of the aisle who care more about